In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add categories and hierarchies on visuals in Power BI Desktop. Let's start with a simple visual that looks fine at first glance, but is actually misleading. The data in this example runs from September 2013 through December 2014. Because there's no hierarchy on the date field, the visual is combining values from 2013 and 20, which makes the chart inaccurate. When Power BI can't tell which year a month belongs to, it stacks them together and hides the real trend. The fix is straightforward. Add a hierarchy so Power BI knows to organize the data by year first, and then by month under each year. With your visual selected, go to the pane on the right where you see your fields. This is where we'll drag in the category that defines the top level of the hierarchy. Since months are subcategories of years, we'll use the year field as our parent level. You can do this in one of two quick ways. Either check the box for the year field so it gets added to the visual, or drag the year field and drop it into the same axis area where your month field currently sits. Positioning year above month tells Power BI to group months within each year. As soon as year is in place, the visual separates 2013 from 2014, and the values stop getting merged. That's the core of building a meaningful hierarchy. The broader category first, then the more detailed category underneath. Sometimes, after adding year, the labels along your axis might look crammed together or confusing. That's usually because the labels are being concatenated, which means Power BI is trying to squeeze multiple levels into a single label. To clean that up, keep your visual selected and go to the Visualizations pane. Open the Format section, then find the X-axis settings, or the axis that holds your hierarchy titles if you're using a different orientation. Look for the option called Concatenate Labels and turn it off. Immediately, your axis separates the labels by level, making the hierarchy easier to read. And that's it. By adding year above month and disabling label concatenation when needed, you prevent values from different years from being combined and make your visual both accurate and clear. This doesn't change your data. It simply tells Power BI how to present it properly. If your dataset includes other levels, like quarter or day, you can apply the same idea, always putting the broader category first. Thanks for watching, and now your visuals should reflect the real story in your data.